Hello guys, you're welcome to Emadek TV. If this is the first time of watching our videos, then we ask you to watch and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share to your people or your friends out there for them to also see our videos. Now we are come to talk about a very viral or trending story that is happening currently in Ghana, and it is a alleged police officer who has shot his girlfriend to death. And that is what we are coming to talk about it. Now, this is how we've heard about the story so far. What we heard was that the police officer who, in a way, accused the girlfriend of cheating on him, decided to go to the girl's house with the girl's friend. Okay, his girlfriend friend. Okay, so the lady and the police officer went to the police officer's girlfriend, and then the lady went to the friend's house to go and call the lady. And the lady in question, or the deceased's name is Majwa, and that is a common name when you come to Ghana here. So the police officer and the lady and the friend, the police officer's girlfriend friend, were outside. Basically not, what we are hearing is that it's not far away from the girl's home, and they stood there for some time, and most of the people around there could hear the lady, the police girlfriend and her friend pleading to the police officer that she didn't do it. So it is alleged that the police officer was accusing the lady that she has been cheating on him, and as a result, he demanded for an explanation, because if you listen to the story, it means that the police officer was spending much on the lady, or has spent much on the lady, and didn't expect the lady to go behind him to have another affair with any other man. And so that made him angry and came there to confront his girlfriend. What we are hearing is that through the confrontation, they stood there for for some time, and the police officer, who couldn't take the situation, or who couldn't take the issue anymore, has to pull out his pistol and shoot the girlfriend like 5 times, one on the forehead and the chest and other places. And the lady couldn't stand it. They have to take her to the hospital, and she was pronounced dead when they got to the hospital. The police officer has to run away, because he can't also be there for them to come and kill him, or for them to come and arrest him. So he has to run away. Now, where I am so sad about this whole story is that there's this guy whose name is Takum, and according to what we are hearing, the police officer's name is also Takum. So there's this guy whose name is Takum, and that is the guy that people are using him. That's the guy's picture on the screen. He's the one that people are using him or accusing him that he's, pointing fingers at him that he's the one who actually did that, whilst the main perpetrator is out there chilling, and people are rather accusing this guy that he is actually the one who killed the police, or the lady. Okay, so he came out to let the public know that he has no a hand in the girls, that though he knows the girl very well, they are friends. He used to go to the area where the girl is staying, and so when they get there, they vibe a lot. But then that is all. It ends there. He don't even remember the last time he caught the lady, or the last time he saw the lady. So he doesn't have anything to do with the lady. Okay, and he has no idea what happened. Even the day the incidents happened, according to him, he was in the studio with his friends. Okay, so he even wanted to spend the night there, and then he decided to go home. So he left the place almost 10 to 11 p.m. That was where he heard the story that the lady in question has been shot dead, and people were calling him, because when whoever that hears the story asks the name of the person who killed, and they will say it's Takum. And those who knows him to be the Takum that is around the lady thinks that he's the one who actually did that. Unfortunately, He's saying that he's not the one who did that. So people should stop using his image and saying so many things about him that he's the one who did that. Okay, he's saying that he's a painter and interior decorator, and as a result of the incident that happened, people are now afraid to even, just 2-3 days ago that this incident happened. I think the incident happened on Thursday, which is the 20th. Thursday, which is the 20th of this month, 20th of April, and just this Thursday, 20th of April, somewhere 9 p.m. that the incident happened. The next day, someone that he was working for called him and said he shouldn't come to the office again, or he shouldn't come to his workplace again. It's okay, he's going to give the work to another person. So this is what is happening. You know, sometimes you might not be a victim of an incident, but they can easily tag you, and if you are not careful, it can land you in prison. So there are so many people who are in the prison cells that did not know anything about what happened, or did not know anything about an issue, a particular issue, yet they found themselves out there in the prison cells. Okay, so or what we have heard is that the police officer whose name I think is his nickname, that the Takun is his nickname, he killed the lady, and now the police or the Ghana Police Service are seriously searching for him to make sure he'll be arrested and justice will be served to him. Okay, so we listened to one conversation on, I think there's this lady that called the police officer on phone, and that the video is, I think, is in the local language, so you guys will not, most of you will not be able to understand what probably he was saying. But the police, you could hear the police officer saying that, yes, how can I be taking care of you, doing everything for you, and you still be cheating on me? Okay, so I mean, I can't take it. And then from there, the police officer told the lady that he was making the call with, that the lady should just keep quiet and pretend she hasn't heard anything. Okay, if he, the police officer, die, is normal. It's normal. If he die, it's normal. So the lady shouldn't talk about anything. So it means that there's a possibility that the police officer can also kill himself just because of one lady. He might also lose his life, because what he is saying is that if the police, if he dies, the lady shouldn't have a problem about it. It means that if the call the lady made is actually the police officer, then if it's actually the police, then it is true that the police officer has, even on the phone you could see that it is written. I mean, the contact is saved police tycoon. Police tycoon. I think this tycoon is TYCOON or something. And the one that his pictures are circulating on social media, his tycoon is, I think, TAACUM. Okay, he's the one on the screen. And this is the lady, a beautiful lady like this. His life has been cut short because his girlfriend, her boyfriend accused her of cheating, cheating on him, and because of that, he has to shoot her and kill her. And so, currently, as I speak, this is one of the most trending issues that is happening right now in Ghana. The incidents happened in a place in Kumasi called Adum. That's where the incidents happened. And so the police are still on their investigations, and so now the police officers are searching, or the Ghana Police Service is searching for the person or the main perpetrator, so that justice will be served to him, and we'll be here. If any information comes up again, we'll give you an update. Keep on watching Emadek TV and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Android maybe 9:30. Na yet if you any say. Any obi di moto e be full payment na be hwe won tie nyina sori ko moto wura no ho. E ko hwe na tie gina so na mo say etu ato baako mienu miensa am sta. Akrofo oji obi niema. Enti yenko tie ko yenuma na tu na sa to ne abayachi. akwa no na asa to nam se da bi ene ye military ni enhwe di esi ti ejira onam se papa bi efi so sane mo se age bi ni abɔ ne tuo no enti yen kɔhwɛ ti yen nua ba ko di kan ko no se ma dwa na to ne abɔ ne tuo no ti me ko no da hɔ nam se me hu ni ye na me dane ni sei na mu se ono enti me twe ne din na me de me se mi an bo hwɛ se oba hu mi a on hu me ti me hwɛ ne din na me so so se preocupe na se onya no twi mo se mi nua ba ko fa aka ba ne tam ni shemu ene de no ko na kasa ne ni mu no na ba ma ba ko bi gira on de on wo hu ya kasa na o gina ho to mi mbusa no se eni pa no se ta ku menkumi nya me hwe no no menkumi ta ku menkumi nya me hwe no no to ese wo bond ba ko no o se ta ku nya me hwe no so ne yem se nya me hwe no menkumi na nya me hwe no no to so pe na ta de se no di to na hye me pay no dia bond ko hu pay 6 bullets a police for ba ho e be 5 the no chi na police for sa ba no msa be hu 1 bullet 6 bullets no the ball wala pie na chi pay kun flat
let's move straight to your house. Boss. Takumenkumi na ye free like.
Gana na ka obon first shoot na se takumenkumi nya me hwe no no.
Listen, ba ko no obon tu na friend takum.
Sa ya no bla na no gina ho no.
Okay.
Na ye ka kire me say. Takumenkumi na nya me hwe no. Me wan so yes won na be tena ni almost 2 hours. But na ti na ge bi sa ka ho. Ge ya se ge ba ku come here 3.
Oni takumenkumi na ba.
O me nim so ne ba but no ma trans na so ni mo di nkomo sa. Do get to na tena wa di nkomo be 2 hours. Enti bra ne si no. Na komo mo di die. Aso no o pa na to mo preso. Ti no tira bo ne so ti 10 no. No se takumenkumi na nya me hwe no no. Me nim takumenkumi hu ni se bra me no.
Takumenkumi no na ye se ono bezo che se bia ga na wo so ochiti ano wa chim to ochiti ano na na
mama ji
free so ochiti
papa ni me twabu ani ni be twabu people are watching you live from YouTube.